Mangwabe and Makumalo, they already know each other before Musamseleku introduced Mangwabe to Makumalo. Mangwabe knows Mayeni. Mayeni was very upset to Musamseleku, why you took someone I know. And now he did it again to Makwela. Makwela and Makumalo are coming from the same place. Makumalo got upset why Musamseleku took someone, she is coming from the same village. But Makumalo accept Mangwabe and she says, I already know her, so there is no a problem between me and Mangwabe. Why Makwela? Because Msamseleku is his own thing to talk people, they know each other. Mangwabe and Mayeni, they know each other. Makumalo and Makwela, they know each other. So there is no problem to complain. Makumalo is complaining because of Makwela. Maybe she saw Makwela that maybe she is not the same level as they are now. But when you saw even Makumalo, when she got married to Musamseleku, Makumalo, she doesn't have anything as Makwela. So sometimes you can compare because those people, guys, we start watching them on television 2017. Musamseleku and Makumalo, they start staying together maybe 2009. Makumalo doesn't have anything. So sometimes there is no need to complain. As Makwela doesn't have anything. Maybe Makumalo saw Makwela that Makwela is young. Makumalo have to think when Mayeni and Macele says, Musamseleku, what are you doing with this child? That child they are saying about Makumalo. Makumalo is younger than Musamseleku. So Musamseleku did it again to Makwela. Makumalo always mocking Makwela that you are married to a child, what, this is a child, what. Makumalo forgot that she was getting upset when Mayeni says, you are calling me a child. Makumalo was very upset when Mayeni says those words. And now it's their role now. They have to accept Makwela, whether they like it or not. Because sometimes even they can get upset or what. But Musamseleku, he is not going to leave Makwela. When he made this decision, he made it. Even Macele knows. That's why you saw Macele nowadays, she can accept all those what he is doing, Musamseleku. Because when he made this decision, guys, Macele goes through a lot with Musamseleku, because Musamseleku have got dramas. Imagine she is the first wife. Musamseleku have got kids outside the wedlock. Musamseleku, you've got those kids and bring them, guys. How Macele feels. So Macele want Makumalo and Mangwabe to feel the same pain, to accept Makwela whether they like it or not. Because sometimes you can point that woman, she is a bad woman. No, Macele, sometimes she is not bad because she want those people to feel the pain. Makumalo is complaining about Makwela. Why she doesn't complain? Because sometimes when you allow a man did the same thing, because Musamseleku didn't expect that Makumalo can get upset. Even he made a promise to Makumalo that I didn't want to marry a woman who is coming from the same village with you. But Makumalo have to know that Musamseleku, he can just talk, but he can't keep those promises. Makumalo now is getting upset. Musamseleku maybe knows Makumalo is a forgiving person, and Makumalo accept Mangwabe. And why she can't get upset with Mangwabe that why you took someone I know and you are introducing me as your girlfriend or your wife, and I know Mangwabe. That's the era. Because Makumalo, you're supposed to complain about Mangwabe. Makumalo accept Mangwabe very well, because she knows that it's her friend. So Musamseleku was expecting that Makumalo, she is going to accept Makwela because she already knows Makwela. So now the game changed. Now Makumalo got upset. Even Mayeni was the one who's supposed to ask the two of them, Mangwabe and Makumalo, because Mayeni can be the same team with them. But Mayeni, she was supposed to ask them questions because Mayeni was the one who was in pain that Mangwabe came in Musamseleku's life. Those people, they already know each other, Mangwabe and Makumalo, Mangwabe and Mayeni. And Mayeni got upset to Musamseleku, and it was very pain to hear. So Mayeni was supposed to ask Mangwabe and Makhumalo, especially Mangwabe, how she feels now. Even Makhumalo, to your husband took someone you know, because Mayeni was going through that pain as Makhumalo she is going through.